How to fix Chrome video not playing on mobile. Videos not playing in Chrome on your phone. Here's the quick fix guide. So first, go ahead and open up Chrome from the Play Store or App Store. And then once you're in App Store or Play Store, head over to search and use the search bar to look for Google Chrome. And then from the results, go ahead and tap on Google Chrome. So if you find an update button instead of an open button, click on it to update Google Chrome. And then go ahead and open up Google Chrome. So you can go ahead and check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart your router, or toggle airplane mode to refresh connection. Another thing you can do is to clear cache and cookies. So open up settings on Google Chrome and then scroll down and look for the privacy and security settings. So once you find it, click on it and then select delete browsing data at the top of your screen. And that is how to fix Chrome video not playing on mobile.